Okay, welcome to Shabit Uganda e-learning, and in today's video we are going to make a continuation of operation of these numbers, but particularly for this video we shall be able to look at what you call mean, stroke average. So they always ask these questions such in our question papers, so it also needs someone to be able to understand what mean means, or mean is the same as average. So when they talk about mean or when they talk about average, please, you can use the same method to get the answer. So what does real mean means? For us, when they talk about mean, they simply want you to get the sum. You get the what? You get the sum. Okay, you get the sum. When they talk about mean, or to find what? Or to find mean. Or to find mean, you get the sum. Then you also divide those. You get the sum, then you divide by the number of what? By the number of items. Okay, so let's see these examples for us to understand more. Here we have an example. They are saying find the mean of 2, 4 and 6. So as we have said that to find the mean, we get the sum of what? We get the sum of those numbers, where these are the sums that we're going to use, our 2, 4 and 6. So we also said that when you say sum means addition, you're just going to add. Then by the number of what? By the number of item. When they talk about the number of item, you just count them 1, 2, 3. So this simply means that you shall be able to get, when you get the sum, that is addition of our 2 plus 4 plus 6. Then you divide them by the what? By 3. So when you divide them by 3, we have here our 2 plus 4, which is 6. Okay, that means we have our 12 by what? Our 12 divided by 3, because these numbers are what? These numbers are 3. We shall divide this by what? By 3. So we have our 6 by 3, that is 12 by what? By 3. So this was supposed to be what? By 3. Okay, so we say, when you say 12 divided by 3, we get 4. Okay, so they are able to get what? To get our mean. The same also to this number, which is they are saying now work out the average of 6, 10, 4 and 10. Okay, so this now simply means we just need to be able to add these numbers. Okay, so here they arrange them. They say 6 plus a 10, then 4 plus 10, where they get 16 plus 14 out of how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you say 16 plus 4 out of 16 plus 14 divided by 4, here we shall be able to come up with this is, okay, that is 30 divided by what? 30 divided by 4. When you say 30 divided by 4, we can use our long division. We see the way how they came up with their answer. You say this is going to be our what? Our 4. We say this is going to be our what? Our 30. And divide this by this, that is impossible. We bring a 30. What is 4 times 4? That is 16 by 5. 20 by 5, 20 by 7, that is going to be what? 7 is going to be what? Okay, what is 4 times what? Okay, we try what? We are going to try our 7. So when you say 7 times what? Times 4. This is the same as when you say 7 times 4 is the same as 7. Okay, 7 for what? 4 times, then you add this. So this is 14. Okay, we have 14 here, we have 14 here, which is 20 what? 28. So this simply means if you try, you say 30 divided by 4, we get 7. So when say 7 times 4, we get 20 what? 28. Okay, so we subtract this, we get we borrow 1 from here, the remains 2, then this becomes 10 minus 8, 2, then here is a 0. So this simply means we get a remainder here. Okay, so that's why they were able to say 7 remainder 2, 7 remainder 2 out of what? Out of 4. So that's how they came up with 7, 2 out of what? 2 out of 4. Alright, so you can also still reduce this. We say by 2, 1 by 2, 2, 7.5. Okay, so this is how we are going to be dealing with such a numbers. You see that now, even if you look up with the mean, the average, it still needs you to use the operations of numbers that we did in our recent videos. Please, you can fall out from where we started for you to be on the same page, but however we shall be able to explain more of this. So now here we are going to be looking at these examples also on how we can solve out our mean. So when you have these examples and they say solve out our mean, what we have to do is we have our number 1 is 3, 4 and 5. So when they say find the mean or average, you shall be having our 3, then plus 4, okay, then plus 5, then all this should be divided by how many? 1, 2, 3. So this simply means we have this is 7 plus what? 7 plus 5, which is 13. Okay, so this is going to be what is 7 plus, this is 7, okay, plus 5, we are going to have 12. Okay, 12, we're going to say 12 divided by 3. What is 12 divided by 3? We get our answer as 4. Okay, then our next answer is going to be, our next number, which is a 2, is going to be 7 plus 8 plus 9. Then all this shall be equal to, shall be divided by what? Shall be divided by 3. So what is this? What is the 8 plus 9? You get 17. 17 plus what? 17 plus 7. We get 24. Okay, 20 what? 24. Is it right? We say 9 plus what? We get 17. So 17 plus 7, we get 24. By 3, you find yourself getting our 8. Okay. Then also here we have our 0 plus 2, then plus 4, then plus 8, then divided by, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is going to be 4. So when you say 4 plus 8, which is 12, this is 16. So we say 16, this is equal to 16 by 4. What is 16? Okay, ours is likely to be 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. Then our last number, which is number 4, this was 3, this was 2, this was 1, and this is our number 4. We have our 6, our 6 plus 4, then plus our 8 plus 10. How many numbers are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided by what? Divided by 4. What is 10 plus 8? 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Then plus 6, 28. So this is 28. Divided by what? Divided by 4. So when you say 28 divided by 4, 28 divided by 4, someone with an answer, we shall be having our what? Our 7. So that is how we can solve numbers concerning mean and average. This topic is easy for everyone to pick. To make a recap is to make addition of what? You make addition of these numbers, then you divide by the number of items, okay? Then you come up with the what? With the right answer. So this lesson we shall have completed, be able to do the same. So thank you very much for being part of this lesson. Stay blessed. God bless you. See you in the next lesson.